everyone, it's Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're making oat pancakes. And I just want to thank GeoHealth for sponsoring this video today with their oat flour. We're going to be using it to make our oat pancakes. This is a local product milled right here in Trinidad. It's 100% rolled oats, cholesterol free, gluten free, no additives, no preservatives, 100% natural and 100% delicious. So I encourage you to pick up a bag today. You can get it at Massy, JTA, Westbees and even Passat. So any grocery you go, you can get it. And let's go!
I'm starting with my mango pineapple syrup. In a pot, I have 1 cup of water. I added half a cup of white sugar, as well as half a pineapple that I diced and 1 Julie mango that I diced as well. Give that a quick stir and I'm going to place it on medium to low heat. Gonna let this boil for about 15 minutes. It should be getting thick by this time. Take it off the heat and allow it to cool for a couple minutes. I took out a portion of the pineapple and mango for garnish and I blended the rest. At this point, you're going to give it a good strain, add back the fruits, and set aside. For the pancakes, I downsized the recipe for the video, so the actual recipe is in the description box below. So I'm combining my dry ingredients, my oat flour from GeoHealth, sugar, baking powder and baking soda, and always a pinch of nutmeg, salt and cinnamon. If you are new to my channel, you'd realize that I put nutmeg in everything. In a measuring cup, I have some milk, and to that I'm adding my yogurt, 1 egg, melted butter and a splash of vanilla, and whisk that till it's combined. Add your wet ingredients to your dry and you're stirring to combine. Ensure that there are no lumps. The batter is supposed to be smooth. I have my frying pan on low heat and I used melted butter. You can use oil or cooking spray, but I like to use the melted butter. So you're pouring the batter into the pan and just be patient. Feel free to add any kind of fruits you want. I added some cranberries and chocolate chips. You can also add some bananas or pine, anything you want. So how do you know when it's time to flip? When you see these air bubbles popping around the pancake, then it's time to flip. And look at that golden brown color. So I just stacked these bad boys and I'm drizzling this gorgeous syrup over the pancakes with my pine and my mango for garnish. Look at this beauty.
And the test, let's see how this tastes. So good. Get your oat flour today, guys.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Remember to try these recipes with your friends and family. Bye!